It's a knife. This kind of coconut is, I think, very sweet. Yeah?
Hello.
Hi!
And the stick is left here for that reason.
Yeah. Look at this.
Knock down some fruit, Daddy.
Got me?
Yeah. Yo.
You want to climb and get it?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I know. Okay, that's good enough.
That's plenty.
We're only gonna take a few. Okay?
That one looks like a good one.
Huh?
Go back to, can you crack it?
This is not sharp enough, but we can try.
I can feel the juice.
That's just brownie juice. Very young coconut. Okay? These are good coconut.
Are these like Tahiti coconuts?
What do you think?
Whoa.
If you're on an island and you don't have any tool, what are you gonna do?
Sharp. Why don't you just find a rock
No, we need like a sharp stick where you can just
or sharp rock?
knock it in.
You can make a knife. Woo. Are you?
Almost.
Woo. Why me? Drum roll.
So if you have a knife, it'll be a lot faster. Okay.
Drum roll.
This is a tiny, small coconut, but this kind of coconut is sweet. Oh, let's try it, okay? See, it's not young. Crack it open. Okay. See? It's not very young. This is small size. So turn it around. That's how you eat coconut on an island. Let me smack it so we can eat it. Eat too.
The coconut's winning.